Teacher Sammy.
Hi kids! Welcome to our kitchen. Here we can see the refrigerator, cutting board, pot, countertop, stove, oven, cabinet, dining table, cup, spoon, fork, plate, chair, bowl, dishwasher, frying pan, sink, casserole, knife, spatula, refrigerator. The refrigerator keeps food cold and fresh. It's like a chilly home for milk, fruits, and snacks. Cutting board. Cutting boards protect tables when we chop. They're strong and easy to clean after slicing veggies or meat. Pot. Pots cook soups, pasta, or rice. They're deep and hold lots of hot, bubbling food. Countertops. Countertops are flat spaces where we chop veggies or mix dough. They give us room to prepare yummy meals. Stove. The stove makes heat to cook food. We turn knobs to make flames or hot plates. Oven. Ovens bake cookies, cakes, and pizzas. They get very hot to turn dough into treats. Cabinet. Cabinets store dishes, cups, and snacks. They keep things tidy and easy to find. Dining table. Dining tables are where we gather to eat. They're strong and hold all our plates and cups. Cup. Cups hold drinks like water or juice. They come in sizes, big for grown-ups, small for kids. Spoon. Spoons help us stir, scoop, and taste. Use them for cereal, soup, or mixing batter. Fork. Forks grab noodles, veggies, or meat. Their pointy ends make eating easy. Plate. Plates hold our food so it doesn't spill. They're flat and perfect for sandwiches or fruits. Chair. Chairs let us sit safely while we eat. They help us reach the table comfortably. Bowl. Bowls are round for soups, salads, or cereal. They're great for mixing ingredients too. Dishwasher. Dishwashers clean dirty dishes with soap and water. They spin and spray to make plates clean. Frying pan. Frying pans cook eggs, pancakes, meat, or veggies. They're flat and get hot for yummy sizzles. Sink. Sinks help us wash hands and dishes. Water and soap make everything clean. Knife. A knife cuts a food, but it's sharp. Only grown-ups can use it. It helps make slices of bread or cheese. Spatula. Spatulas flip pancakes or stir food. They're flat and bendy to scoop every bite. Whisk. A whisk is a kitchen tool with thin metal wires used to mix ingredients quickly, like eggs or batter.
Teacher Sammy.